let us obtain a solution to this question. We are asked that if x is equal to a tan theta, okay, so simplify this fraction. The square root of 1 plus s squared over a square. Okay, so it can look tricky at first, but it is quite simple. Let's look at it together. First of all, what I would like to do is actually simplify this fraction into something more convenient for me. Okay, so let me partition this board this way. I can say this fraction becomes the square root of 1 plus x squared over a squared. That is the square root of, if I take my LCM, a squared. This will be a squared plus x squared. Okay, so I think this looks better for me to work with. So what I want to know is what exactly is a squared plus s squared. Okay, so a squared plus s squared is a squared plus squaring this value of x. This is a tan theta all squared, and that gives me a squared 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, so since I know this is a squared plus 1, I remember from my trigonometric identity, one of the trigonometric ratios is that 1 plus tan square theta is always sec square theta. Okay, so since I know this value should give me sec square theta, I can say this now becomes a squared sec square theta. Yeah, so this fraction now should become, since I know what a squared plus s squared is, this fraction a squared plus s squared over a squared should now become the square root of a squared plus s squared. I've shown it is a squared sec square theta. This is a squared sec square theta over a squared. Of course, a squared takes care of a squared, so it means the entire thing is just the square root of sec square theta, and the square root of sec square theta, ladies and gentlemen, it is sec theta. Okay, so and that gives me the value for this fraction. Thank you.